Good evening. Category 2 Tropical Cyclone Winston lies about 2,750 kilometers southwest of Ono, or about 440 kilometers south-southeast of Kandavo this evening, moving northeast at around 20 kilometers per hour. The cloud signature of Cyclone Winston is clearly evident to the south of Fiji. As the cyclone moves northeast, much of this cloud will push up over Fiji, especially the east and the south. Although some weakening is expected over the next 24 to 48 hours, it is likely Tropical Cyclone Winston will remain a damaging system as it passes through the southern Lau group, and there is every indication that it will re-intensify as it moves northeast over warmer seawater and into more favorable environment for strengthening. The circulation of Tropical Cyclone Winston continues to dominate the wind chart. Winds over Fiji are currently west to northwesterly. However, tomorrow they will tend more southwesterly before shifting southerly late in the day tomorrow as the low moves to the east of the Lau Islands. Tropical Cyclone Winston is expected to pass south and east of Ono tonight as a strong Category 2 system before continuing northeastwards towards central Tonga tomorrow. The cyclone will likely intensify and slow down as it nears the Vava'u and Ha'apai groups in Tonga, which is not a good sign for the people on these islands. There is a possibility the cyclone may turn back towards Fiji for a brief period on Thursday, however this remains very uncertain. A storm warning remains in force for Ono Ilau and Vatoa. A gale warning remains in force for Canberra, Fulanga, Ongea, Namuka, Como and Mothe. A strong wind warning remains in force for Kandavo and nearby smaller islands, southern Viti Levu and nearby smaller islands, northern Lau and the Lomai Viti group. Overcast skies with occasional showers passing over the western division tomorrow with fresh to strong and gusty southerly winds tending southeasterly later, 1 or 2 heavy falls likely over the Yasawas and Mamanuthas. For the northern division, cloudy skies with passing showers, heavy at times in the morning with a chance of a thunderstorm, local flash flooding likely, fresh to strong and gusty west to southwest winds. Overcast and humid across the central and eastern divisions again tomorrow with occasional showers, heavy at times. A few heavy falls likely with local flash flooding possible. Strong and squally southwest to southerly winds gusting to 80 kilometers per hour at times. West to southwest winds, fresh to strong and gusty with rough seas and swells over open waters. Winds shifting southerly later tomorrow evening. Storm and gale warnings are current for Lau waters and strong wind warnings are current for most of the remaining coastal waters. Mariners should continue to use every precaution. People potentially in harm's way should have completed pre-cyclone preparations by now and take actions as directed by local authorities. People along the southeast corner of Viti Levu from Pacific Harbour to Navua and the capital around to Nausori should remain alert as the cyclone passes to our south late tomorrow and early Tuesday. At this time, impacts over the capital and nearby towns and cities will likely be limited to fresh and squally winds and periods of heavy showers. Remove loose items from outdoors and secure awnings. Look out for local flash flooding should heavy rain last 30 minutes or more. Listen for advisories from local authorities. Mariners in the central and eastern divisions should exercise extreme caution over coming days and plan your maritime activities carefully. You can keep up to date through our various subscription services. Details of how to subscribe for mobile weather updates via text message for Vodafone and Inc users are on our Facebook page. And for details on how to get access to our premium subscription service, you can check out our website at NaDraki.com. Please do check in tomorrow evening for more local weather information. From the MyTV team and NaDraki, we wish you a pleasant evening.